Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be drawing a person in a sitting down pose, a casual sitting down posture. So if you have your pencils set, we will first draw it could be a bench, could be a chair, could be a bench, but that is the surface where the person will be sitting down. And we have the upper body right there. We have the lower body right there. The upper body for the upper body we have a shoulder set right there. This is an easy exercise depending on what we are looking to accomplish. It could be if we are just trying to practice like the different like postures here, then I think just the use of a pencil should suffice. We'll be using a pen here so that we can illustrate this a little better. Now if we have just that much in place, we can begin playing with a few options. So we'll start with one that has some foreshortening in it. And we'll get to the upper body in a second. So this is the thigh. Just that far. Knee, shin and calf, and we come down with the foot right there. So that is the the composition for the lower leg, the thigh, the knee, as it will generally appear. Now let's imagine that this person, so the other leg is right there, joining that is the end of the hip, the other thigh emanating from that, going that far. I think that should be fine. Knee, and then bending backward here. So shin and calf is here, and there is the leg going in, and that is hence a tucked leg pose working for us. This could be chunkier, it can be higher, but it doesn't need to be. So right now we'll just put it out like that. Sorry, but let's bring that apparatus down a little bit. That is the ab crunch there, and that is the lower body. So we brought the structure down a little bit. We didn't draw over it like that. We just drew right on the edge of it and brought this down a little bit, which is okay. Some people have longer torsos. Now, natural thing is that we have, if it is a bench, there's like so many different options. The hand can go here on the thigh. The hand can rest here, flat on the bench. The hand can also rest flat on the bench while the fingers are going that way. There's the thumb. That is without moving that position of the hand. The hand can also come in and rest on this thigh here. So all those wonderful, nice options to play with. And of course, the head itself, there's the collar structure, looks best as it is here. But we can also have the head looking like that way, smiling, looking that way. Maybe that actually packs a little more character. We'll try to see if we can explore that. So those options, but we can also have this leg coming right here and just hanging down by the side of this foot. Of course, there'll be a little higher placement for that foot as we see from this perspective, and that can also work for us. So nice and wonderful options to play around with. But we will pick one here and we will do it see if we can like use so using a marker just to highlight some key features here. So we have the person like wearing jeans, and we'll maintain that fold in the leg. It's actually, the pen is like going out on us here. So we'll just grab our sharper one. So just putting in the tones. And I think it worked out okay for us. So here we have it. Casual sitting down posture. Person in a t-shirt, probably a pair of, let's call them like jeans or like, you know, casual pants, it doesn't matter. Croc-like slippers, I guess. And to round this off, let's add some inks here too, actually, since we have put in some tones here and there to, you know, see even how this comes out with a few more details. I think that works out for us. And this can just be like that, one of those props that they put out in the open for people to like sit. It could be a bench. There's some grass here, and we have a sort of a groundwork for a scene right there. So casual posture, sitting down, view from that particular angle. Please do try it out. We have other videos that also have featured different postures and positions. Please do check them out as well. Please keep in touch. Do subscribe. Thank you for watching and have yourself a wonderful day.